Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to install my Reef Octopus 152S Protein Skimmer in my sump. I'm just going to remove the collection cup. I figured out the best way to do this was doing it this way. When I opened the box, I went ahead and cleaned it with vinegar, like rinsed it with vinegar because of what I read online, and then I just rinsed it out. I haven't started it though, so I'm going to do shortly. My sump is 10 inches by 11.75. This is a 20-gallon tank. 20-gallon tank, 11.75 by 10. You can see how well it fits. This is about 8 inches of water. I'm going to install the collection cup so we can test for fitment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up my valve over here, and it should flood the protein skimmer section. And this is 10 inches by 11.75. And it's in 8.5 inches of water. If I need to raise it, I'll raise it. If I don't, I hope I can leave it. The instructions say 8.7. Online it says 8 max, but we'll see. I'm now going to turn on the protein skimmer. I'm doing this very slowly because I've seen other people's protein skimmer videos and they do everything really fast and I never get a good look at anything. I'm just giving you a good look of everything. Again, this is a Reef Octopus 152S. You can see the bubbles are practically perfect. So it might start skimming already. I doubt it. It usually takes about a week. I have about 0 micro bubbles in there. This is my return. Bag of carbon, egg crate, triangle wedges to hold it. Flows from my skimmer's chamber over to my refugium, Cheeto algae, whatever you want to call it. My bubble traps, and my return pump. Just so you can see, and then another 10 in here, and finally 3 inches in here. So in total it's the length, it's 30 inches, 20-gallon aquarium. And all of this will filter my 55. I think the secret to my 55 is my surface skimmer. Skims the surface, keeps the water very, very clean on top. At the same time, it draws in water from the bottom all the way out and over. And it's just connected by a U. Goes all the way down and into the sump. So I hope this helps you. Have a great day.